There's a difference between a woman who likes you and a woman who can't stop thinking about you. One texts back when you text her, the other checks her phone hoping you texted first. One enjoys your company, the other reorganizes her week just to see you. Most men spend their whole lives settling for being liked and never understand what creates the second one. These are the 5 things that do. None of them are about your looks, your money, or your job. Everyone is something you can start doing today. Number 1. You make her feel something, not just comfortable. Comfort is pleasant. Comfort is also forgettable. The men women obsess over don't just make them feel safe, they make them feel alive, a little challenged, slightly off balance in the best way. When every interaction is smooth, easy, and predictable, her emotions flatline. But when you create small emotional peaks, a moment of real tension, a playful challenge, an unexpected flash of depth, her nervous system tags you as exciting instead of safe. Obsession isn't built on comfort, it's built on feeling. Give her something to actually feel. Number 2. She can't fully predict you. The brain obsesses over what it can't solve. The moment a woman can predict your every text, every reaction, every move, you become a book she already finished. So she puts you down. But the man whose responses she can't quite anticipate, whose moods hold a little mystery, stays an open question in her mind. And open questions don't leave the brain alone. This isn't about playing games. It's about not being so completely transparent that there's nothing left to wonder about. Number 3. Your world doesn't revolve around her. This kills obsession faster than anything, making her the center of your entire world too soon. When your mood, your schedule, and your personal happiness all visibly depends on her, you stop being a prize and become a responsibility. The man with his own direction, his own focus, his own life that doesn't pause every time she appears, he becomes something she has to earn her way into. People obsess over what they have to earn, never over what they already fully own. If you struggle with this exact thing, making her the center, chasing too hard, losing yourself in it, I put together a free guide called the Emotional Overload Trap. It breaks down how to stay genuinely invested without chasing or going cold. It's free and it's in the description. Number 4. You see the real her, not the version she performs. Every woman has a curated version she shows the world. The men she forgets only ever see that one. But the man who notices what's underneath, the insecurity behind the confidence, the thought she didn't say out loud, the second her real self slipped through, that makes her feel something almost nobody does, genuinely seen. And being truly seen is so rare that whoever does it becomes unforgettable. Pay attention to who she actually is, not just what she's showing you. Number 5. You create space instead of flooding it. The man woman obsessed over doesn't fill every silence or answer every text in seconds. He leaves space, and space is where longing grows. When you are always there, there's no room for her to miss you. But when you give genuine room, not games, just a life that keeps you occupied, she feels that gap when you are gone. That gap is where obsession lives. Absence used right speaks louder than constant presence ever could. You have to make her feel something instead of just comfortable. Stay a little unpredictable. Keep your own center. See the real her underneath the performance. Leave space for her to miss you. Women don't obsess over the men who are the easiest to have. They obsess over the men who make them feel something rare, then give them room to crave it again. I am dating ASAP. Class dismissed.